I am Dr. Soumen Basu. I am at AMRI Hospital, Dhakuria as a full-time consultant in radiation oncology. I am basically consultant in radiation oncology and clinical oncology. Today I will just going to discuss regarding the COVID vaccine and our cancer patients. In 2020 we have seen the emergence of SARS-CoV-2 infection, that is COVID, and we have suffered a lot. Everybody has suffered a lot. But many of our cancer patients, those undergoing treatment, either chemotherapy or radiation, and our cancer survivors, they are asking me question whether to take COVID vaccine or not. As we know, in India there are two types of vaccine available right now. Maybe in coming days there are some other vaccines will be available. But because right now today there are two kinds of vaccine, and in those two kinds of vaccine it has been told that immunocompromised patients should not take this vaccine. They have just mentioned this thing, but as such there is no data. But we all know that our cancer patients, as because they are getting chemotherapy, they are immunocompromised. So they need some kind of vaccine or some kind of thing so that they don't get this infection. So I think in recent days the companies will come up with more fact sheet and more discoveries will come. But for the cancer survivors, those who have suffered cancer but now they are absolutely okay, for those patients I will recommend that they should take vaccine, whatever may be the vaccine. It may be one or other. But before taking the vaccine, if they have any complaint or any allergy kind of thing or fever, they should consult their healthcare providers. Many of our cancer patients, they also suffer from other comorbid disorders like cardiac disorders. So they take in regular basis some blood thinning agents, and our vaccine manufacturers has given a direction that those who are taking the blood thinners should not take this vaccine. So here the question comes, because in every year crores and crores of patients are diagnosed to have heart disease, and they took regular basis these blood thinners. So whether they are eligible for that or not, time will tell. But as of now, what I can tell you, our cancer survivors, they should take the vaccine whatever comes to them first. And for our cancer patients, those who are undergoing chemotherapy or radiation, as they are immunocompromised, they should keep themselves as much as possible from the society. They wear face masks, they should maintain the social distancing norms so that they doesn't catch the infection. From not a curative point of view, from a preventive aspect, we should carry forward the message to the common people that cancer is a preventable disease. There are so many things we can prevent, and prevention is the best way so that the health infrastructure doesn't get burdened. So it is my earnest request to everybody, they should follow those principles, and whenever they are in need, they should contact with us like healthcare providers so that we can give them suggestion what to do, what not to do. Thank you.